All right, let's start with our unboxing of the Edifier MR3 speakers. As you can see, we've got the white speakers here today. So very excited to be having a look at these. And don't they already look really, really nice? Again, lovely packaging from Edifier. A bit more about what's going to be coming in the review. So 36 RMS, 3.5mm media-low drivers, dome tweeters, high-res audio, a bit more, which we'll obviously go into in the review. So you guys can see that. And yeah, so let's go and take a look now. A bit more on the other side and open it up. So here is the box. Again, lovely packaging. So there are the white speakers just there. Now start with, don't they look absolutely beautiful? So I'm going to take one of the speakers out to start with. So they've got a good size. They weigh about 3.75 kilos each. I'm just going to take a look at this one to start with. So again, very, very nicely packed. I love that smell of new speakers too when it comes out of the box. Remember that like smell of like new books. It's always lovely. So there it is again, wrapped all nicely. Now already I can see this sitting on my bookshelf or next to my computer monitor or even next to my television for that matter. As you can see, there is the speaker there. As you can see, that's where the subwoofer comes out of, and there's a speaker there. Again, lovely craftsmanship. So I'm going to get the other one out and have a look at what else comes in the box. So again, we've got the second speaker. Let's move the box to the side for now. So just here, now this is the control speakers. This is where it has all the actual controls you can use to change tracks, etc. So I'll take that out, and again with the packaging, pop that out too. So here is the second speaker too. Now as you can see, here's some of the controls as well. So move the box. Actually, I might come to that in a minute. So there's the second speaker with the controls, which we'll look at in a minute. So I'll put that just over here. Let's just check what else comes in the box while I've got it. So in the box, you've got the instruction booklet and how to set it all up, a bit more about some of the features, and you've got the actual cable. So let's see what kind of cable it comes with. So you've got the obviously the charging cable there. You've got the cable that you use to connect into the speaker system, the cable there, and you've also got your outputs too, which you can use. So a number of different ways to be able to connect this speaker, and again we'll show you how all these connect together shortly. So I'm going to put this box to the side. So here's the first speaker. So as you can see, you've got the ability here to actually control the speaker at the front, which is a nice touch. A lot of time you have to go behind speakers and try and open it up. You can also plug your headphones in here too, and you've also got your AUX there as well you can plug in too, which I think's a nice touch. Most of the time it doesn't have this, so it's really hard to be able to manage the speakers. Now on the back we have the frequency, so you can switch on the Bluetooth here, on and off. You can change the acoustic tuning. So when we've got that so these are different acoustic levels that you can use. So essentially you've got the equalizers on the back and allows you to adjust the volume from the speaker. That being said though, you've also got the Edifier Connects app that you can use as well. Right on the speakers obviously, and that's where you can plug it in too. So, and that's for the speaker out if you want to wire it up. So again, very, very nice presentation. Let's go and look at the back here too. And again, that's where you can connect the cables into it as well. So this has Bluetooth 5.4 as well for great Bluetooth connectivity. Now these also allow you to connect multiple devices as well, which I think is a very, very handy touch. If we go and take a look at the back, so the actual 3.5mm mid-low drivers, and you've got a 1-inch silk dome tweeter as well. So you've got tweeters there, and you've got the mid-low drivers just there. Now frequency response of 52 Hertz to 40 Hertz as well. Now you have speakers themselves are 125.5 millimeters by 220 millimeters by 185 millimeters. So this is slightly bigger than this one, as you can see. And now the great thing with these acoustics at the back, so what it does is it attenuates specified low frequencies to suit the shape and size of your room. And the acoustic spaces can also compensate for the mids and the basses depending on where you have them placed in your room as well, which I think is great. But again, you can do it through the Edifier Connects app, which we'll show you guys. Now these both have high-res audio as well, which means depending on your room type as well, you can get the high-res audio on them, which I think is a great touch. But as you can see, they really are good-looking speakers. We're going to connect them up shortly and show you how to use them. But all in all, these are a very stylish, beautiful set of speakers. And I can't wait to set them up and actually turn them on. It's going to be very exciting.